naghahanap ka ng product na anti-wrinkles at nakakapag-smooth ng skin, I recommend this product. This is Doc Retinol Line Smoothing Night Serum Capsules. I've been using this product for weeks already and masasabi kong mas nag-glow yung skin ko ngayon. Doc Retinol has been used by many people, legit product and certified by experts. And guys, this has anti-aging effects and helps control oily skin. Kaya sa may mga oily skin dyan at acne-prone skin, try nyo tong product na to. So guys, this is my skin right now. Ayan yung wala pang Doc Retinol and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagamit. Kuha lang tayo ng isa. And ganito yung itsura niya guys. Tapos twist mo lang. Tcharan! So ganyan yung consistency niya guys. Okay, so ilalagay na natin siya sa ating face. So yan guys, as you can see on the screen, meron siyang binibigay na instant glow effect. See? Ang ganda! So if you want to achieve a smooth, healthy, and glowing skin, must try this Doc Retinol. Ilalagay ko na lang siya guys sa yellow basket. Add to cart and get yours now.